Hello all. Today we will learn how to edit pipelines in Togile CRM. Firstly, click on Pipeline. You will see this pipeline table. Here you can easily view, filter, and manage all your pipelines in a structured table. After that, click on the 3 dots on the right end of a row. Click on pencil icon to edit each criteria. Click on Pipeline Name to rename pipeline name. Afterwards, click on Entity and choose from the drop-down menu. To add a new stage, click on Add Stage. Then click on Pipeline Stage and add a new stage. Add the name of your new pipeline stage. After that, add win probability percentage. Now add the win probability percentage of that deal. Choose desired order of the new stage. Add a description. Next, click on Save. Here you can see your existing lost reasons. Next, click on Add Reason to add a new reason. You can also select the status of the pipeline, active, inactive. And you've successfully edited your pipeline. Hope you found this video useful. Thank you for watching.